Hey everybody, I'm Kelly from Earthly Delights, and we are going to go over to our storage unit. We have 9 items to pick up that have sold and people have paid for, and then we have 4 items that have been bought but haven't been paid for yet, and we also have 2 auctions that are going to be ending in the next 24 hours. So we're going to go ahead and pick all those things up, and we're going to take you along with us to our new storage unit and go through everything that's sold and what we paid for it. We've got Tripper here who, he doesn't care whether we stay or go. He's like, I'm sleeping.
Oh no, you're sleeping on my sweater though.
Oh, we need that.
Tripper. Sorry. Come on.
We have those 2 boxes of things we got to take over to the storage unit to catalog. Because that's everything. Well, yeah, because I think you listed the left side, everything in the box there, and then I listed everything here today. So it's ready to get cataloged. What do you think about that? Are we ready for that?
Got to stay on top of it. Yeah.
We do, because we have a smaller storage unit, so we can't just put things
in a new improved system that we're going to keep up with. So. What happened here?
Did that get stuck on the door?
Yeah. Too close to the door.
Oh, I see.
So we're here at the storage unit now, and I'm going to start off by pulling 2 items that just sold on auction, which are conveniently both in the same box. And they are this lot of Nancy Drew and Hardy Boys books. We bought each collection for $1 at an estate sale, and the Hardy Boys went for $13.50 and Nancy Drew went for $21. Oh, I'm disoriented. I haven't been here in a minute.
This is our new storage unit. We moved from a 10 by 20 to a 10 by 12. In the last video you saw us move, and now we're here and we are loving the new one.
Okay, next up we've got a Duluth canvas jacket.
That's a number 30?
Yeah, which I can see it. It's one of the benefits of clear bins. Just gonna put that there. Tuck these neatly back inside. We got this for $6 at the Goodwill, and it just sold for $38. We had it listed at $48 and negotiated, went back and forth with a buyer who made an offer and arrived at that. Next we have a pair of Death Wish mugs from 2018 that they're a set that go together.
And we did that on auction?
No, those were, that was a best offer. I think we had it at $160 and we took an offer of $135.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, here they are. I'm just unwrap it for you. This is it.
Oh, nice.
This is the red one, and the other one is blue, and it's just the same.
And we got that as part of a Death Wish collection, and we can throw that video up if you want to check it out.
I think it's that one,
is
right?
right there, yeah.
Let's see. Let's double check.
Yeah, let's go ahead and...
Yeah, that's it.
Yep, that's it.
All right. Next up, we have a lot of graphic novels.
And they are right here.
Are
Because
they
I
wrapped?
actually listed them and packed them.
Oh, good.
And I think they are right there.
Yep.
Yep.
Good eye.
Since I put that there, I figured I'd...
Thank you. I never would have found it. All right. Next up, we have another Death Wish mug. This one went for $70. Oh, I have it all wrapped up. So rather than pull it out, let me just show you a picture. It's wrapped up really nice. All right, next up we have an Easter Bunny canister from Ray Dunn. We had gotten a few of these last year, right around Easter, and probably wouldn't have done it again.
We won't do it again.
We won't do it again. Let me be clear. We will not. do
Yeah.
that again. And
Not really excited about it, and they just don't sell for very much.
I'm going for 10, and I think we bought it for like 5 or 6.
Yeah, I think we bought it for $4.99.
Let me just double
And
check.
they're brand new, but it doesn't really sell for much.
Oh, wrong one. Yeah, we've got like 3 of these. Okay, this is the one that went is sugar. And they're really cute, but
It is cute, but not a big profit there, but you know, it's sold.
yeah, not a loss.
Yep, not a loss. That's right.
Next up we have a Lego. You tell us about this, because
You know
remember
what?
the story of how we got it? I think it came for free along with another Lego set.
It did. It came for free, so we didn't pay for it, and we decided to just go ahead and list it on eBay. And it sold for $6. I think we had it listed for $8, and we took a best offer of $6.
Yeah.
Oh, we just got an offer for $10 on a crocheting magazine, and we paid $1 for it at the Goodwill, so you might want to take that
Yeah.
if we have service. We could just actually take the offer and grab it. I'm gonna say yes,
Sure.
and it will go to San Francisco.
And here it is.
You see?
Next up is a ceramic Mayan corn elf figurine. Where did we get that, Cal?
So we got that at an estate sale. We paid $1 for it, and I thought it was really cool, but I could not find it online anywhere. There were no comps.
Yeah, we ran it as an auction, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know,
really cute.
I ran it as an auction because I didn't know what it was worth, and in case it might be worth more or something that people collect.
Oh, and last but not least is Lucky Larry.
It's not the last thing because we're going to pull the 4 things that sold but they didn't pay for yet, and then the 2 items that are on auction and that are ending soon.
That is true.
And Lucky Larry is Lucky Larry is at home. I pulled that when I was here the other day.
Oh, okay, great.
Yeah, I pulled that one the other day. Let me just open it up and show everybody what it is. So it's this Death Wish mug, and we listed it on auction for $45, and it got 1 bid. It was one that wasn't worth that much money, so happy with that.
Yep.
Oh, and they paid for the knitting book.
Great. Love prompt payers. Next up is another set of Death Wish mugs. It's Frau Percha, which just went on auction for $161.50. Yeah, and this is one. They're so cool. They're different. Ready? And wait, what color is the other one?
Yellow.
Thank you. That is tremendously helpful.
You're welcome. Oh, it just doesn't want to focus for some reason today.
Maybe farther away from my face. And we're still waiting for payment on the Indy Honda racing shirt, which went on auction.
I pulled that one last
That's
week.
at home, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
they sold a couple days ago, and
Yeah.
so actually they sold probably 4 days ago.
Yeah,
So we'll
and
have
then
to
we
send them a
wanna-
message.
I did. I sent that this morning. We did go away for a couple of days, so they might have just been like, oh, well, I'm not going to pay till I have to.
Right.
Okay, and the last, I believe, is a Studio Pottery coffee mug,
I pulled that.
which is at home.
Yeah, I did. I pulled that because that's another item that I don't know. We just had like a couple items sell one day, and nobody paid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We've got an auction that's ending in about 2 hours, so it
2.
already...
We have 2 auctions ending.
Oh, wait a minute. Did we get a second bid on this?
On what?
That's exciting. Hold on, let's see. Yeah. Oh, 20 minutes ago.
Do you want to say what it is?
Yeah. Well, I'm just going to
Tell
show
us. Oh, I look forward to it.
you. Yeah. This was something that was on your bucket list, and you were very excited to find.
I would go ahead and open it up.
How much did you pay for this?
I found this at the Goodwill for $4 on the cart, and I saw the top of it and immediately knew, what is it? What was on my bucket list?
Look at this beauty.
Look at that. It is a huge mid-century modern
It's
glass mushroom.
Beautiful.
It was buried underneath things, and I saw the top of it and immediately ran for it because I knew it was a mushroom. I was so excited. And there's like no scratches on it. It's in really good condition, no chips. And it's the biggest one I've ever seen.
We had it originally on Buy It Now at like 160 and it wasn't selling. We dropped it to 120, wasn't selling. We listed on auction for 75, didn't sell. And then we're like, all right, let's just cut it to 65. And we got a bid on that just a couple days in. And then 20 minutes ago, it got another bid and now we're up to 79.02.
I'm happy with that.
Yeah.
I mean, I hope it goes up a little more.
As do I. We've got 1 hour and 54 minutes left.
Great.
And that's it. That's it for now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we've pulled everything?
Yeah. The last auction that we have bids on is over in like 2 days, and it's actually something that we just kept at home because we know.
What is it? Can you tell us what it is?
It's the Lot of Death Wish coffee swag. Yeah, but we can talk more about that later, right?
Sure.
When it sells.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Can't give them everything.
No.
So we were good. We were going to leave, and we decided to go ahead and stay and catalog those 2 boxes that we listed most of the items. So we put them in their boxes and put the SKUs on, and now we'll be able to find them.
Yeah, almost done.
Great. It really didn't take long.
No, it's better to just do it now and not resist that temptation to just run out of here.
Right, because you can see we don't have a lot of floor space. Like the other unit, we had more floor space.
Yeah.
Now this is forcing us to be more organized.
And we need to be forced. Or I need to be forced.
I need to be forced. You can put me in that statement. We just sold something else before we left the storage unit. Yeah. A Pyrex 1 cup measuring cup.
Yes. Full price too. And I did send an offer, I think. But it went for full price.
Really?
Yeah.
That's exciting.
Yeah. Oh, here it is. Where are we? We're moving slow. Come on. We're in custom label 12.
We are really testing our new storage unit
Yeah.
and our system, making sure that everything was listed with an SKU.
And the right SKU. Yeah, here it is.
And we bought this at the Goodwill for 99 cents.
It's a Pyrex measuring cup.
Yeah.
Vintage.
Yeah. They paid $24 for it.
What? Oh, with shipping.
With shipping.
That's so crazy.
So it might be like 14 maybe, I think it was listed for.
No, it's oh, I had relisted it at 10.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right. Do you want to say goodbye?
Bye.
That brings our video to a close for today. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for coming along. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, and also hit that like button. And we'll see you next time.